Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So I welcome you again in the session of class 4 subject English reasoning, and today's our topic is spell well, in which I will discuss about the spellings, how you spell the words, and this is our lecture 1. So dear students, you have to listen carefully so that you will be able to spell the words very well. Now let's start. So the contents which I am going to take in this lecture are, I will explain how you will spell well, and then I will assign the homework related to it. So these are the contents which I am going to take in this particular lecture. To spell a word correctly, we must write the letters that form the word in correct sequence. Dear students, you should follow the rule that while writing any words, the sequence of the letters should be correct. If the sequence is not correct, then the spelling of that particular word is not correct. So you should take care of it. Secondly, you should focus on pronunciation. Dear student, while spelling a word, you should focus on the pronunciation also. It can be a little tricky, as many words in English are pronounced the same while they spell differently. You should take care of this point also, that in English many words pronounce same. We say those words homophones, but while they are spelled differently. That means that their spelling is different. So you should take care of this point also. Now let me tell you with the help of few examples. Tick the correct option. Number 1, people, the child who has good manners. So here are 4 options are given: praise, praise, praise and praise. So you can see that all have similar sound, but according to the meaning of the sentence, what will come over here? Over here, praise will come. Prashansa. Praise, pratna karna, praise, shikar. So you came to know praise will come. Praise. So we will take praise. Praise. Now let's proceed with the second sentence. She is a fashion dash. Now let me show you the options for the same. So the options for the same there are 4 options: designer, 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 designer. So here there is one word, but the spelling is different. So we have to find out the correct one. Which one is the correct spelling? So the correct spelling is DESIGNER, B part. So we will tick B part and we will write over here DESIGNER, designer. She is a fashion designer. I hope you understood. Let me show you another example for the same. Now the third example for the same is, I want to learn a dash language, foreign language. So here you came to know that the answer will be foreign, but you have to find out the correct answer for the same. You have to find out the correct answer. Which part will be the correct one? So here the answer will be Foreign. Foreign. So we will write the correct answer over here, Foreign, and tick the correct answer over here. I hope you understood how to do these particular questions, how to find out that the particular spelling of the word is correct, and you have to tick the correct answer. So for the same, I will assign you the homework. Let me tell you about the homework. Now it's the time for homework time. Assignment will be given, ASSIGN. Assignment will be given to you on the EdQuark, and you are supposed to do the given assignment. I will upload the assignment on the EdQuark or send on the WhatsApp group. I hope you understood this particular topic spell well. First you go through the lecture, and we will discuss the same thing in the class also. So you can ask anything related to it in the class. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.